Whether companies can issue shares at discount. See, shares can be issued discount or can be issued at discount only for permitted purpose. That is, it can be issued at discount only if you are going to issue what is known as sweat equity ratio. It means you cannot issue shares at discount for other purposes. If shares are going to be issued at discount for other purposes, then we would say that that issue is void ab initio. That is, right from beginning it is not a valid arrangement. So if someone is going to violate, because this provision is available in Companies Act, so if someone is going to violate this, what will happen? The violation can lead to two consequences. Number one, it can lead to fine, and the fine can range from a minimum of 1 lakh and it can go up to maximum of 5 lakhs. And number two, it can also result in imprisonment of officers in default, or it can also lead to a combination of both. And when it is imprisonment, it can be imprisonment up to 6 months time. So understand, companies cannot issue shares at discount. If they want to issue at discount, it should be only for sweat equity shares. Any issue of shares at discount is void ab initio, and the violation would attract fine which can be minimum of 1 lakh and maximum of 5 lakhs, and it can also result in imprisonment to the officers in default, and the imprisonment can go up to 6 months, or sometimes it can be a combination of both.